sense, we shall learn A Sunflower by William Blake. There are 2 poems. In A Sunflower, William Blake emphasized that you sunflower, why are you watching all the time to sun and you are just looking for the sun? Don't you know the youth and virgins and the beauty youth, they just following their desires and they could not satiate and ultimately die? Don't you get lesson? Like these youth and the beauty and the virgins, and they all the time they are hankering after their wishes and desires, but they are not fulfilled, and they take all these wishes along with their graveyard. You sunflower, why don't you learn lesson? You all the time following the sun, and when sun is moving here, you also moving your head towards it. So this is a symbolic poem where फ्लावर, सनफ्लावर, हैव यू एवर सीन सनफ्लावर? आपने कभी सूरजमुखी का फूल देखा हो? जैसे जैसे सूरज, जिधर सूरज जाता है वो अपना मुंह वैसे वैसे मोड़ लेता है। मतलब कि जिस तरफ फेस होता है सूरज का, तो जो उसका फेस होता है वो अपना फेस भी उस साइड पे कर लेता है। मतलब देखिएगा, प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, इसको कर नहीं रहा है। लेट मी शेयर अगेन। अगर आपने